Hello girls, hope you all are well today. Let us continue with our topic, which is the last part of the chapter, Stone Age Stone Tools. Now we have already studied the two periods of Stone Age, that is Paleolithic Age, which is the Old Stone Age, and Mesolithic Age, which is the Middle Stone Age. Let us study more about the Middle Stone Age, that is the Mesolithic Age, before we begin with the last period of the Stone Age, that is Neolithic Age. Now we studied about Middle Stone Age, that is which belong more to the Homo sapiens, and we have seen how his life started progressing and he started making new discoveries and he started developing himself more. In this whole thing, he also tried to develop his tools that he used for hunting, for farming, etc. So it is in the Middle Stone Age, the stone blades used to make implements were removed from the stone by the fluted core technique. Now the Paleolithic man, he made the stone tools by using percussion technique. In the same way, the Middle Stone Age man, that is the Mesolithic man, he used the fluted core technique. Now we all know what a flute is. Yes, it's a musical instrument which is like a long pipe. So flute means a long parallel sided depression. Now what is parallel sided depression? That means it was pressed from one side. So this stone, which was long and parallel, it was pressed from one side, and core means the original stone from which the blade was removed. After the blades were removed from the stone from all sides, the remaining core had such flutes on all the sides. So basically they started creating a depression, and what was left were long blade like tools. Okay, so blades removed with these techniques were very minute, that is the size of a nail and slightly bigger, hence they were called as microliths. Micro means very small and lithos means stone. So in the Middle Stone Age, arrows were made by fixing this microlith or the small stone at the tip of a stick. So you could see that right from the Paleolithic Age up to the Middle Stone Age, that is the Mesolithic Age, where Homo sapiens were involved in this age, you could see how the variation took place between the stone tools. Paleolithic man couldn't hunt, he could just tear the meat of the animal or hide because the tools were very heavy and larger in size. It was by the time when Homo erectus, who belonged to Old Stone Age, it was his mind, developed mind, which started making tools which were more sharp and symmetrical in shape. And now in the middle of the Middle Stone Age, where Homo sapiens were evolved, you could see that the size of the stone tool started decreasing. Now let us move to the New Stone Age, that is the Neolithic Age. Now in this period, stone tools that were polished to give a smooth, shiny finish were made for the first time. Up till then, whatever tools were used, they were not shiny or they were not polished or not given a smooth structure or a smooth surface. As this was a new type of tool making technique, this period was named as New Stone Age. By the time of the New Stone Age, agriculture and domestication of animals or animal husbandry had become a routine way of life. So we all knew that agriculture began in the Middle Stone Age. It continued to the New Stone Age as well, okay, because it was the Homo sapien in the Mesolithic Age who got the idea of harvesting the crops and cutting of trees, and making use of the fruits and plants food that was available. So that people during that time, they did not have to go to offices and to schools and to banks and all. It was just the nature that was with them. So they made use of whatever was there in the nature, and that was their routine life. Go for hunting, go for fishing. Women's were the one who went in collecting the food grains, okay, feeding the children, taking care of the house, etc. Hunting was no more the major means of obtaining food, because now they started harvesting the crops. So it became the secondary to agriculture and animal husbandry. So whatever they could get from the animals that they were rendering or rearing, or they were taking care of, and through agriculture, whatever food grains they used to get, they started surviving on it more as compared to hunting. There are many sites of New Stone Age culture in India, especially along the Ganga river and in South India. So these sites, when during excavation they were found out, we came to know many new things about the age where nobody would have imagined that something like this did exist, okay. Or from we, if research would have not done, if these things would have not found, we would not come to know what our existence was, or from where did we arrive, or who our ancestors were, what kind of life they used to live. So this all thing we get to know through this chapter. And girls, this is not the only thing that deals with history. In this also there are many things and details which are not being given in the textbook, because this is what you should know at this particular age. If you go on doing research on this, you will get to know a lot of things which are not mentioned in the textbook as well. So basically we studied in this topic is about the tools that were used by the Stone Age man, and how the period of the Stone Age was divided into three. So we studied about the Paleolithic, which was Old Stone Age. It was during the Mesolithic age that they invented wooden bows and arrows for hunting and boats for fishing, okay. Then in the Neolithic age, they started they started building house, they started caring and taking care of their children. They started with agriculture, they started with animal husbandry, etc. So this is what a new Stone Age was, or a Neolithic age was. Agriculture, then storehouse where food grains were stored, then the village system, the housing system, the domestication of animals, handicrafts, weaving baskets, okay, and all. So no more the Stone Age man was living a nomadic life. Now he started living a settled life. So that is what we are going to study about, but in the next topic. So what we studied in this is the three Stone Age: Paleolithic, which is old or ancient Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, and New Stone Age. In Paleolithic, we studied that the age in human culture characterized by the use of rough or chipped stone tools. The age in human culture characterized by moving from food gathering society to a food production society. Tools in this age often had barbs and hooks or interchangeable blades. We could easily change. That was the Mesolithic age. And in Neolithic age, the age in human culture characterized by the use of stone tools used to farm, pottery, weaving cloth and basket, that is the handicraft items, were made. Thank you.